Let's now go to visual diagnosis of the skin. Let's discuss herpes zoster pathology and diagnosis. In Western pathology and diagnosis, herpes zoster is an acute vesicular eruption occurring in the dermatomal distribution caused by recrudescence of the varicella zoster virus. It nearly always occurs in people who have had varicella or chickenpox. Pain, tenderness, and tingling in the dermatome precede the eruption by 3 to 5 days. Erythema and grouped vesicles follow, scattered within the dermatomal area. The vesicles become pustular and then form crusts, which separate in 2 to 3 weeks to leave scarring. Herpes zoster is normally unilateral, and two-thirds of patients are over 50 years of age. In Chinese pathology and diagnosis, from the Chinese point of view, herpes zoster is also always due to damp heat because of its vesicular and erythematous eruption. But a further differentiation can be made according to the manifestations and location of the lesions. If the lesions are located in the thoracic or hypochondrial region, they are due to damp heat in the liver and the gallbladder channel. Generally speaking, in lesions occurring in the neck and ophthalmic region, common in the elderly, in addition to damp heat, there is also wind heat. Wind heat is also indicated if itching is very intense. If the lesions are pustular, they indicate the presence of toxic heat, and if they are dark and very painful, they indicate blood stasis, which also is common in the elderly. For treatment, herpes zoster is treated with acupuncture with a three-pronged approach: expel wind, wind heat, or damp heat, or both. For wind heat, um, triple burner 6 and gallbladder 31. For damp heat, it's gallbladder 34. You can insert 4 needles subcutaneously around the main lesions with the tips towards the center of the lesion. Needle 3, Hua Tua, Gia G points, level with the dermatome affected by the main lesions. Thank you for your attention.